The Microsoft Word is the most popular word processing software. Not only you can write and style documents, but you can also add extra content too, such as images and hyperlinks. So if you want to know how you can easily add a hyperlink to your document, make sure to watch this video tutorial. Now, hyperlinks are an important part of some documents, and there are two ways that you can try in inserting hyperlinks to your documents. As for the first method, simply copy the URL of your website you want to copy, open your Microsoft Word, then paste it directly to your document by pressing Ctrl and the letter V on your keyboard. After that, press the space or Enter key, and the text will appear in the standard underlined blue format for links. Now, typically, links added with the said technique will have the text of the link be the link itself. But alternatively, you'd also insert a hyperlink by going to the Insert tab, click the Link option, and on the window, type the URL in the address text box. You'd also edit the text to display in this window as well. It is, however, also possible to insert a link that has custom link text. And to change the text of an existing link, right-click on the link, then select Edit Hyperlink. You'd also add a new link to a pre-existing text by highlighting the text you want to link, then right-click, and select the option Link. Now that's how you can add hyperlinks in the Microsoft Word document. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.